Hello and welcome to this guided meditation. This meditation will help you break the chain of obsessive thoughts. Keep your eyes open. Recognize and accept that right now your mind is fighting. Accept the fact that right now your thoughts are persistent and strong. Stop fighting. Just for now, stop fighting. Just for the next few minutes, stop fighting. Give yourself permission to relax. This guidance is very powerful. All you have to do is trust and stay with the guidance. Look around the room and start looking for spaces between objects. Right now, in my experience, I see two decorative items with a distance of 1 feet between them. So I'm noticing the space between these two items. Keep looking at the space between objects and really notice the space. Keep looking at the space between objects and really notice the space. Keep looking at the space between objects and really notice the space. Now move your awareness to one particular object and notice the color of the object. Notice the color of the object. Notice the space around the object. Notice the space between you and the object. Keep noticing space. Look at all the space in the room. Look left, look right, look behind you. Look at the ceiling. Look at all the space. Now again, choose another object and just notice how still the object is, how unmoving it is. Just notice that. Look at all the space in the room. Can you now notice that you're more at ease? You have now broken the chain of obsessive thoughts. What you resist persists. Watching space allows you to move to the heart space, the space of your true self. In the heart-based approach, we do not fight darkness, we reach for the light. In this meditation, in this guidance, you are not fighting thoughts, you are not fighting the mind. You're simply moving your awareness to space. Please note, if there are strong emotions around which the thoughts are centered, it would be very beneficial to heal the emotions. Peace and silence are your true qualities, but they are veiled by belief in thoughts. The more you believe your thoughts, the stronger they hold on you. The more you keep breaking free from thoughts by practicing meditations, the more free you become. Divine consciousness is the consciousness of peace, grace, and blessings, and you can live from this divine consciousness when you choose meditation and emotional healing. Thank you, and I wish you many, many blessings.